Welcome to Homeschool with Liam. That is L-I-A-M. Liam.
That's me.
Awesome.
Liam has a 3D puzzle.
Yes. Let me show the friends. Okay, so we got this awesome 3D puzzle, which is an excavator.
Yeah, my dad brought it here.
Yes, Daddy went to the shop this morning and we
but
got
you call
this.
it an excavator, but it can be long.
Yes, we'll see exactly how it works.
It's a puzzle, but it can move.
We'll see, because we don't know, we haven't had this before. It's the first time we got this, and this is what the pieces look like. See, there's a picture of what it actually will look like when it's all done, and this is what the pieces will look like that you've got to put together. There's about 4 layers of these little spongy goodies in here that we're going to build them to get all cardboard. I don't know what they're made out of.
I think this will have the instructions.
Yes, so I think it's probably like with the instructions at the back of this piece of paper. And Liam is super excited. He can't wait to open it up.
Yeah! And he's so excited he wants to open it like right now.
Yes, as soon as he saw it, he wanted to open it up. He's like, no, we have to show all the friends first. So before we open it, let's look and see what it's all about, show our friends, and then we can open it up.
Let's open it!
Let's open it up. Okay, so
here's the scissors.
Scissors, sharp. Remember, always ask Mommy and Daddy to help you with scissors.
How can I open this?
Can you open it?
Wait, there's a hole.
There's a hole?
Or with these plastics, you can actually rip it off.
You can, but you've got to grab somewhere where you can pull it off. See, exactly, you rip it off. It says this.
It's paper. He's too excited.
Too excited.
Okay, there's no
Okay, wait.
No
No instructions. Let's see. Okay. So here we've got
no instructions.
board number 2 by the looks of it, because it's got a number 2 on top here.
Ooh, wait, I have board number 1.
Okay, so this is board number 1.
Oh, look. Board number 3. This is so many.
Oh, these are all the tracks. Board number 3.
And this is board number 4.
And board number 4.
But how are there no instructions? It says warning, choking hazard, small parts not
So I think we probably start with board number 1. Where's board number 1?
Holding it, Liam. Oh,
okay, so we'll take out all the puzzle pieces.
And see how.
Just be careful when you open it up.
Just press, and these are very useful. Oh, you have to take these black things out because they have to stick together.
Okay, so these are what the tracks will look like, I think.
Mommy,
that you put somewhere, I don't know where. Let's see.
All the small pieces out that show because we have to put it all together.
Okay, and you can see it's like cut out small over there. So you pop those goodies out.
Oh!
See, now there's a little hole there.
Pop it out.
Okay, here's the scissors.
Mommy, we need to pop it out. Okay.
Okay, so here we're popping out all these pieces. Did you take all of them out?
Oh, I'm taking them all.
Okay, let's see.
Just be careful with these. This is the frame.
Oh, my nose.
Here's the frame.
That's the frame. Okay, so as you can see, I've popped out little goodies from there, and one over there.
Mommy, can you do all the goodies while me and Liam are
Okay, I just take out the goodies, they just take out the big ones. Because the goodies are too difficult because it's quite thin.
And you don't want to tear this thing.
Yes, so I'm just using the scissors and I am just pressing them out. Careful. Okay, so there's your pieces.
Thanks. Let me do this one.
Okay, and then I guess these things also need to pop out from here.
All of the things need to get popped out.
Okay, let's
I'm
pop.
so excited to help Liam with this.
I'm sure. And Liam,
Is excited.
is this one of your favorite construction vehicles?
Yes.
Awesome. Can you tell your friends a little bit about construction vehicles?
They can be also think about there's an excavator attached to the back.
Is it?
Yeah, on the front loader. That makes a digger.
Okay.
Do construction vehicles work on the construction site? Yeah. Mommy, you're missing pieces.
I'm not missing any pieces.
You missed that piece.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
For the X, you have to be very careful so that you don't tear it.
Yes, because these things, it's like pressed together cardboard, I think, by the looks of it.
It is cardboard.
Spongy. So it's quite soft. But it's got a paper layer on top. So if you're not careful, you can actually tear this thing apart. So you have to be careful and see what you do.
Can I open those, Ryder? Yeah, he calls me Raika for short.
Yes. What is your nickname? Can you guys let us know what your nicknames are? Like, what is your actual real name, and then what is the name that your friends or family call you?
Look,
because
rulers.
Maraika is actually her full name,
Yeah.
but we tend to call her Raika. It's
short.
just it's for short, and it's an Afrikaans or Dutch name, so that's what we call her.
So I have a Dutch name.
Yes.
I was named after a princess.
Yes. From Holland.
Yes. Where my mom's dad came from.
Yes, my father's parents were from Holland. So
Where's the other caterpillar tracks?
where's the other caterpillar tracks? You got it?
Where's the other?
So my side of the family is all Dutch related. So my father loved the name Maraika, and that's how he chose the name.
There are 4 of them. Just make sure that you check every single piece to make sure no piece is left. If you left some pieces, you have
guys, if we check that there's numbers written on here.
It has to be numbers.
So this is actually so cool because there's numbers on there, so you can learn numbers as well, not just putting things together.
I think the numbers are here to help us to put all of them together.
Probably. Let's have a look and see.
First we need to start with the
And
cover.
this is so messy.
The cover! We have to first check every single number. Leah, look for all the numbers that are
How many did I do? Did I do all 4? Just 3. Oh my word, there's another one of these.
Guys, there's a cover missing.
What cover is missing?
No, here's the cover.
No, see this one. You
It's
bend
the
it.
Yes, you bend.
You
Some of
bend
them
it
you
there
have
and
to
you bend it
bend.
there. And then you bend
Which
it
is
there.
very cool.
Okay, so I think check for number 1. Let's see if you can find a piece that's got a number 1 on it.
5, I got 5 here. 5, 5. Some of the
So
pieces.
I am just quickly taking these goodies out.
See,
I can't believe how many is actually in there.
Oh my goodness, Liam has already started.
He's starting. I am just going to move slightly,
Whoa.
half out the way,
Wait,
so that you
I
can see
think
him
You have to put this piece
of how he is putting it together. Sorry, I'm just moving the camera.
And I will just help
There we
Liam
go.
push
You
it
can
in.
see
Oh, wow.
how they're putting it. So I am just quickly popping all these goodies out.
I think we
so
have to
I'm on the
first
side
put
of the screen
seat
here.
in. Don't you think, Liam? Yes. Wait, this is the seat. Yeah, we have the seat.
There's a seat.
Yes.
These things are super cool.
Yeah. But how do we put the seat in?
Okay, I've done. What else needs to be popped? Oh, there's another piece. Okay, cool. There's another piece.
Where's the seat stands? This is crazy pieces.
Okay, what numbers are there? Because I've got a number 1 and a number 2 here. What number 1, number 2? I don't know what this is for.
The track. That is, I don't know. These things are crazy. Where's
So there's number 1 and there's number 2. So I guess this needs to be connected to number 1 and number 2. So where is pieces that is marked 1 and 2? I see. There's 1 and 2 and this is 1 and 3.
I have 1, 2. I have 2 and 4.
Okay, so let's find those pieces that's supposed to be going in there. I guess this goes.
Here's another piece. Oh, here's the bucket. Here's the bucket.
The bucket!
Leah made the bucket.
And of course, mommy needs her coffee.
Why?
Because this is hard work.
Something is inside.
Okay.
I think you need to attach the tracks together.
All right.
First bend them, and
I've
these
got
are
it
little
inside.
cuts. If you
Okay, is all the pieces popped out?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Just make sure.
Because these ones are popped by the looks of it.
But none of these. But
Okay.
none of these holes.
Let's move all these. 1 second.
It's stuck. How can we ever put this bucket on?
What do you need to do? 1 second. We'll see now where all the rest of those goodies are.
What are these?
Okay, so I am just
Look at these.
moving all these small little pieces to the side. Let's move
But
them.
these are crazy, mommy.
Everything that I'm not going to use, I'm pushing away because otherwise it is just all a mess and we don't know what's going where. Nothing will fit. 1 second. Let's see.
Just make sure.
What is these parts? Oh, I almost said. I thought this was waste. It's actually a nut or something. I don't know.
The screw. There's one. Oh, here.
Pop all these goodies. Pop all these goodies away. These ones are all popped, right? Pop, pop, popped.
Why do you keep on saying pop?
Because you popped it. What is this? Is this an eye that needs to go somewhere?
No, that was popped out.
That was popped out. Okay, throw all the pop sides.
Wait.
Throw all the things that's popped on the side. No, you don't need those. We first build, and these are all excess goodies that needs to be moved to the side, which is out of the way.
I think we should start with the cap, because the cap is the one that we need to start with.
I would say you start with one that says number 1. Wouldn't you say that too? Because that's where you start. You start at number 1. That's how we count. Where do you guys start counting?
But guys, Mommy has to solve the cap because the cap is where the main thing is.
Where's the picture?
Oh,
here's the picture.
Here's the picture.
Okay.
But I'm having a little problem.
Okay, so we need to end up with this.
With
Okay, guys, let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can do this.
But I need that piece for the seat.
Okay, so I've got this. I am going to start at number 1, where you would usually start.
Guys, I have the seat. Guys.
What's that?
We are missing a stand for the seat and wait, and these for the seat. Yeah.
Okay, so
I can't find it.
there's a number 1 over there.
Where is it?
And there's a number
I think
1
it's these.
over there. So you just pop it.
Yeah.
I think you pop it right through. We'll see when it gets all together.
Okay.
I'm assuming it needs to go all the way through.
Hey, this is the window.
Because I think the tracks or something. Oh yes, here's the tracky goodies. They go on here.
I think we need a little help for the seat because we can't put the seat.
Okay, one second. You took my part.
You took my part. I'll
Okay.
put the tracks
And then
on.
I've got, it says number 2
Look.
and number
I'm
2.
putting the board.
You popping out the windows?
Oh, you have to pop out the windows. This is. Yeah, pop out the window.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I've got this. Okay,
I put
7
the
and
trap.
6.
See,
Ooh.
I put the trap.
7 and 6 goes right here in the front. So this is how wide this thing will actually be if it's. Oh, it's not popped. See, it's not popped through.
Oh, wow, Mommy, you're so fast. Do you want to actually build this finish?
Yeah.
I told us together.
What's together?
The seat. The seat has to be built together. We can't even figure it out. So we need the mom, who is sitting next to us. Mommy,
Okay.
can you please help us put the seat together? Yeah,
Okay,
we
put
call
this-
Mommy the mommy. We call Mommy.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait.
No, I think you have to put the cab on first.
No, you put this. No, it's got the numbers. Number 46, 46, and 44. So I need to pop it in there.
Oh, Mommy, put the cab on. We'll get the cab ready for you.
And these numbers on top here is 45 and 47. Oh, this dude's got seatbelts.
Yeah, I think you got the wrong way.
No, I don't.
Oh.
It's got seatbelt in the seat.
Here. Oh, I think you missed. You had to put that first.
Wait 1 second. Let's see. Yeah, I think so too. Because you can't put the cab through the seat. Yeah, see, okay. Well done. Okay, cool. Let's push it.
Leah, can you help me with the traps? You have to put the traps on these properly.
Okay.
Tracks? Yeah, you have to put on 2 tracks each. Where's the other track?
There, on the floor.
Yeah. See, Leah, you have to press it in. No, you only need 2. You only need 2 for each.
Okay, one thing I've noticed with this is you've got to be really careful when you're pushing these pieces together, because if you push it at the wrong angle, it can actually take the papers off. So just be careful when you do that. Okay. Okay, right. And then I've got my seat. Wait, I'm putting my numbers together.
Well done, Mommy. I think that's not the right way, little one. You have to make sure that these pieces
Okay, cool.
go together.
I've got my seat in my half form of a cab thing. Okay, so I've put this here.
Oops.
I've got the front section.
The
I've got the cab's outer lid part thing, and I've got these little goodies here. Let's see what else needs to go on here.
Here, put it from there and put this one in.
I need to.
And I need to help Liam.
My legs around. Okay.
Sometimes you need to help your little brother and sister with these stuff.
Well, yeah, you have to, because that's how we do as a family. We help each other out, and not just with family, but with your friends as well.
Here, I got my first track. Let me help
Awesome.
Liam.
Okay, first track is done, and the numbers on this track is 3 and 4. So I've got number 3 and number 4, so I have to push it through these goodies.
And Liam has already done the buckets, so...
Awesome. Okay.
Here's the cat. Wow, it's getting ready together.
We are actually starting... Oh, wait, I just pressed this one wrong. Okay, wait, before you put the tracks on, you need to be able to push these goodies through, because like I said, if you push them wrong, they don't work. 1 second, don't push that through yet, just hang on one, oh goodness me. Hang on 1 second. So you've got to put one track goodie at a time, and you've got to hold it,
goodie?
because it is a goodie. Goodie, good. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I can put them back in the holes. Okay, there. Because if you push them through first like that, then it's easier to get them in. Otherwise, you bend them and then they end up breaking.
Oh, just one piece. Oh, something was stuck on me just now.
Okay, let's see.
I still don't understand how they make these stuff. Yeah. Oh, I know how to make the buckets. Wait.
One track is on.
I think I
Okay, which number? I need number 49, so I'm going to put up the door on this side.
This. See, these things have these has to cover. You put that,
There.
I think cover these ones have to go on top of that.
Okay.
There. See, one side.
I've got this side closed.
The side is.
Now I need to close this side.
You have to have this.
Okay, 1 second, my boy. You're getting super excited and you can't wait. I know.
Done.
Okay, there. I think I'm doing this wrong. I think I'm supposed to put the tracks up first. We just skip numbers. We don't count from 1 to 10 in the order. We just
put it together.
We just go for it.
How can we put it this bucket? Yeah, all your pieces are there.
Which pieces do you put first? Which pieces go with what here? 1 second.
Tracks go to the track.
1 and 3. Okay, wait. 3 this side.
How do you do this?
Okay, see. I'm just pushing through. It's difficult. Some of these are quite tight fits. Oh, it's nice. Tight. Because see, if you push it in too hard, you actually bend them. Okay, so I've got one set of tracks on. Now I need to make the double one.
Looks like we have.
Number 3.
Mommy, look at me. I'm one.
You can use it as frames to draw your own pictures. Okay, so how broad am I doing this? Okay, give me the one.
Buckets. Make sure you put it in the right position. Buckets.
It's showing it upside down. Why is it showing it's upside down?
Because some of them are upside down.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm starting with number what here? 23.
They put stickers on.
Wait, I need to see where's the numbers. 39.
Oh, these stuff are driving me mad. Mommy.
Oh, there we go.
These are driving me mad.
Why are they driving you mad?
Just look at the pieces.
Okay. What other construction vehicles can you name, Liam?
There's a digger.
Okay,
with a
digger.
back scuba with an excavator.
Okay.
And, there's a picture of my excavator up there. A dump
Yes,
truck.
we've got some wall stickers as well. The other side of the room.
I think that is an excavator. I don't know if I did this right, but I just now put this piece together. I think I should have put it that was it. Can I get that piece? Can I get this piece?
1 second. Let me.
bucket?
I'm trying to put tracks here, man. These tracks aren't that easy to put.
Oh, we forgot a piece!
Oh my word, where is that supposed to go? Please don't tell me I've got to take this whole thing apart.
Yes, you do. I don't think so.
Where would it go? Where would it go?
I think on this empty plate.
Okay, which part did you take out?
More teeth.
Okay, where's the? Give me the other part of the track.
This.
Because I will be very sad if I have to take this whole thing apart again because it's a lot of hard work to just have it taken apart.
Oh,
Okay, 1 second. No, but you.
I think we should put all those pieces together. That has to be together.
Okay, wait. I need to see if I'm doing this right. No, this part doesn't go there.
I think you have to put that inside.
What are these lines?
Where does that go inside?
I don't know.
And which numbers are on there? Because I don't.
55 and 56.
Because I don't see any
57
numbers.
and 57 too.
No, I think my numbers go up to 50. 50 and there I've got 54 on here.
I need that excavator to be done.
You need it to be done. I'm trying to get these things
And
to
I
be
will make
stuck
Liam's-
inside.
I will make the rest of Liam's stuff.
What is
So I can find it. Wow.
Okay, let's see, let's see.
I know how to put that.
This is some tight fitting.
And you have
Oh,
to make,
I just bent.
you have to make sure that it's not on top of it. Please.
But I'm not getting it to fit on it properly because it's like.
Somebody has maybe made this not perfect for us.
I think it is made
Can I
perfect.
quickly-
It's just difficult. But see, also it has to be tight
Wait!
so that
I
it
think
doesn't
that-
fall apart.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know.
I need another sip.
Why do you keep eating chips?
I keep on eating sips because it's hard work. Get thirsty fast. Do you guys also get thirsty fast?
I don't know what to do.
They can sit hours without having anything to drink, but I can't. Come on, sit down.
Bucket.
We need the screws.
The screws are all lying there, but between them, as you can see over there.
I give up.
You give up. Okay, move, Liam. Just squeeze you over a little bit. Thank you.
I give up with the arm.
Here's the chair.
Wait. No, but see, you wait. You give up with the arm. Look at the numbers that is needed. Number 54 and number 54.
I got this one. Not number 55.
No, but where's number 54s then? There's number 54s, okay?
That's too big.
It's too big. Are you sure you've pushed it all the way through?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
You bend them when you push them a lot.
That is all the way through.
Oh.
Okay. Where's number 5s that you had? Number 5s goes in here. Oh boy.
Oh. I never knew that.
Because you have to see where's numbers.
Just look. They have to leave a white line over there.
While you are busy with that piece, I will deal with this piece.
Okay. Getting all these things in here, it's not that
Easy.
easy. It's.
You need this.
I know the piece fell out. I'll take it now. 1 second. Let me just push this one through, and then I can push this one in here. Clearly, we kind of did it sort of backwards
Yeah, we don't
because
know how to build this.
it's the first time we're building it. Of course, we don't know how to build this.
Yeah, somebody made it difficult.
It is difficult for a reason, so that you can actually use your imaginations and your brains to. Wait! Don't press too hard. It's gonna bend. Don't press too hard. It's gonna bend. Don't press too hard.
Can I get that piece now? I think
I'm
know
not
what to do.
finished.
I think I know what to do.
Okay, so I've got this over here. Let me see if all my little
Goodies.
goodies are pressed where they're supposed to be.
Give me the paper.
I've got another part here that you didn't tell me to press out, and it goes all the way down here in the middle at the bottom, like in there, and it is it doesn't have a number actually. It's just open. Okay, I think it's fine then. I think it's fine. I don't know. So anyway, so they make this in a way where you have to use your brains. You have to put on your thinking cap. You have to be able to think and to see what you are doing. And it helps with counting because you look at all the numbers, so you can see from 1 to which is the last number on here, like 50, 60. What's the last number?
I have all the numbers here.
Okay, I think the bucket is like the last one. I think it like goes up to 59 or something. I don't know.
57.
No, there's 59.
Yeah.
So it helps you to count as well.
Oh.
I'm moving the camera that side again because they're bouncing back and forth here.
Let's see if in the hole.
Okay, here's a number 43. Where do you need to put 43?
I don't know.
Don't know. You have to know where these numbers things are going.
I think I put it. But that piece has to go.
Oh, here.
Is there a number down there?
It's the lever, silly.
The lever.
Wait.
It's the lever.
Wait, pull it out.
No,
No, pull it out. You have to put it in from the inside, not from the outside. Push it in, silly.
Sorry.
Trying to push something that's this small, this big into all this small is not going to work. There we go.
The lever.
Well, we presume it's that because it's not here on the picture and it's not numbered in there either.
Now it can move.
You got that?
Wait, I had to first put
No.
the secures on. It is.
It can move. Does it have open
The
holes?
arm.
Okay, so it's actually got like nuts in there. Well, like nuts and screws.
I'm struggling.
Like this is like a nut or a screw or a washer. or
I'm
something.
struggling because one is not properly out.
The one is properly out. Okay, let me properly out it then.
I don't understand, mommy.
Sometimes I don't understand myself.
Why did they wash it when there was this piece?
Wait before you know what to do with this piece. Let me see. It's number 43. We'll see where it pops in. It pops in somewhere.
Pops in that. Pops in that.
43. Yeah, it has to go on this. Then it goes on this. Oh.
Awesome. Well, we presume it goes there because it's not on the pictures on the descriptions.
Because it's inside the cat, silly. Sometimes mommy is very silly.
What to do? Stuck it on the whole day with kids.
Now.
But I wouldn't change it for the world.
Okay.
Because you get to see
You just.
and learn so much from your kids.
I think that
The way that they actually see things, and it makes you think of life differently. And it makes you appreciate
Yeah,
little
Bobby
things
is also yellow than construction
I mean-
vehicles.
in general. For kids, something small like this, a small puzzle, for you, you're like, no, it's a small puzzle. But for kids, it's something huge. And I'm sure you guys also, you also love things. It's done.
yes!
Awesome.
All the hard efforts, we finally did it.
Cool, we are done.
And this is what it looks like.
Okay, so from this, we go to that, which is so awesome. Okay, let's look at it and see. Let's show our friends nicely.
Oh, who wants a pair of windows?
Anybody up for some windows? Anybody windows? Windows? Anybody? Going once, going twice? Okay, gone. Never mind, it's all gone now. Okay, cool. So let's see. So Liam, now you come sit here, somewhere, wherever. Sit. Okay, so you are going to tell your friends all the parts. Okay, so we're going to start with this.
That is the cover.
No, yes, it is a cover, but what is it?
A cat.
It's the cab. What happens with the cab? What gets done with the cab?
The seat.
Okay, so the seat goes in the cab. Okay, but why do we have a cab?
So we can sit inside.
So we can sit inside, and
Wait a minute.
there is. Oh, it's fallen out.
Wait a minute.
Oh no! Please don't tell me we missed something else.
No. I think this is the lid, and that has to go on. And the lid has to go on that. Well, that will be the space thing, maybe. For the driver, I think I know what to do.
Okay, I think we just missed the whole part. Okay, so we're pausing it. Okay, let's just quickly fix it up and see.
Yeah, to make sure it goes in the hole very nicely.
Yeah, because the attachment is quite short for that.
And this is inside.
Okay, so
Who
inside
wants to
the
go in
cab,
excavator?
we've got a seat where the driver sits,
Yeah.
and
the
he's
lever?
got a lever to control
Here,
your
it can move.
excavator.
Oh,
Just
Okay,
make-
awesome. Okay. Slowly, you guys. Slowly.
Yes.
No, this is wrong.
What is wrong? No.
Wait 1 second. Give me a picture.
wrong.
1 second.
I did my best on that. That is just too wide, that's why.
It's too wide.
What is the matter?
It looks weird. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we've got the cab. We've got the seat for the driver, and he's got his controls in there to control his little... What is this?
That's the boom in the arm and the buckets.
So we've got the boom in the arm and the buckets.
And the boom is
It can
on the
actually
bucket.
move, which is so awesome.
Just be careful.
Yeah, just be careful because
Hey,
it is...
Mommy wanted to say that, and I said it instead.
Okay.
Look.
It can move, that's awesome.
Looks like this is not just any puzzle.
It's not just a puzzle, it's an actual puzzle you can move. Okay, Liam, what is this?
These are the caterpillar tracks. They don't roll on wheel, they roll on caterpillar tracks.
But why do they roll on caterpillar tracks?
Go move on
And-
uneven places.
And they can
And-
grip.
And also.
And for grip, of course, because
And
normal
they can go
wheels...
mountains.
We'll hear that part now. Because normal wheels can't travel on uneven, loose, gritty grounds. You actually need something that is really able to grip on the ground and to move. Otherwise, the tires just keep on slipping.
Can I tell you something?
Okay, Mariko, what did you want to say?
That the tracks also help the excavator because the excavator is deep so deep, so the tracks keep it steady so that it doesn't fall in a hole.
That is right, because it once again grips the ground.
Stop.
Awesome.
So
What
if you
stuff?
have wheels, you would fall in.
Huh? It spoke?
Hey, it's
What
the
did it say?
excavator.
It says, hi, my name is Excavator. What's yours?
Hey, I think one of my pieces are missing. I think you have to take it out again.
Why do I have to take it out? What's missing?
Nothing. I was just getting worried.
Careful, because if you move it around too much, it will actually bend them. Yeah, these things I don't know if this is right.
It is right.
No, I think this is wrong actually. I'll show you why. No, wait, because it has to go there. But then this is too short for that then. Isn't there any more pieces? My legs are going asleep. Ugh.
No, there's no more pieces. You can check any piece you want. See?
All pieces out from there. All pieces out from there. All pieces out from there. And all pieces are out from there. Okay, clearly all the pieces are out. But why do I feel like it's... I don't know. I just don't...
Where's my buckets?
I just feel that this section is not right. I don't know
I
why.
worked so hard on that piece.
Even if you worked hard on this piece,
No, Liam made that bucket.
yeah, he made the bucket, but you were the one that put everything together. Let me see. Because this doesn't look like it's supposed to be. I don't know, because these pieces look so small. So you have to be careful when you're moving around with this. Okay, let's press it inside.
Why are you being so funny today?
I think I forgot my pills this morning.
Mommy didn't drink her pills for no funniness.
Okay, awesome. So what else, Liam? Where is its engine?
I don't. The engine's right here.
Where?
Here. It's
Okay.
gone.
The engine is supposed to. Oh, sorry, I almost knocked your head off with the bucket.
I think that
The engine is supposed to be here, I think.
The engine is in the bottom.
Or the engine is no. It shows. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
It shows of how these tracks would be running.
But it cannot move. Just move
Yeah,
fast.
these tracks are
Okay.
no, they're not fake.
But me down.
It's a toy. They are stable, meaning they are not moving tracks, so they will be stuck in one.
I will show you
I'm
trying to
again.
go making that
Nothing.
down.
So if you're building this, make sure you don't have any piece in there.
Yes. This is one thing Marika likes to do. She always like double, triple checks to see that everything has been taken apart,
That was
that
the
she can
piece.
see whether something has been missing or not. Clean up the mess in a second.
Say hello, excavator.
Hi.
Oh, looks like your bucket has gone loose.
The bucket is slightly loose. I think maybe what mommy will do is
glue it.
I will glue these parts onto the bucket so that at least they get stuck on there. Otherwise, they're going to fall off the whole time.
I know what the problem is.
What is the
I
problem?
think we have to glue it.
Yeah, glue it on.
Okay, yeah, we'll glue it on. So when we are done here,
Hey,
mommy will go and glue it on quickly and it can get
close
stuck.
your eyes.
Okay, cool.
I forgot to tell you, I can also use this.
Yeah, I can also
So I
use
built.
that. Okay, so let me stick this on for you quickly.
Oh,
Thank you.
Here, see? These things let you, so all the cash can
Okay.
go.
So you pressed on here. So I am just going to put a little bit of glue just
you
in
can see
these
how
goodies
thin
in
it
here because these keep on slipping out of it, so it doesn't want to stay in, so the bucket keeps on falling off. So I am just going to glue it on because these things are also, once you've glued it or once you've built it, you won't exactly go and take the whole thing apart because they're not that strong to be taken apart and put together and taken
Like
apart and
blocks.
put together like your normal blocks and things.
And
Okay, which way do you want your bucket? This way or that way? This way.
There.
Okay, awesome. So I am just going to
Stick it on.
glue, push these things in there, the glue's in there,
and let it dry.
and let it dry. Okay, so we are going to let this dry. We'll leave it a couple of minutes so it can dry nicely. Okay. So yeah,
but
so
the fan is on.
the fan is on, so it will help to dry it easily. Okay, cool. So
So
guys,
let's make this dry.
what did you think about this?
This excavator can dig, but this is made a puzzle.
I think it's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's like a puzzle. You think it's awesome? What do you
Yes.
guys think about it?
Oh, guys,
Tell us
I
below.
forgot
Give
to
us
tell you
give us some comments what you
something
think about
else.
it.
Pieces, and then you build it,
And you
get
have this.
I
That's
forgot to
awesome.
tell you something.
What you forgot?
The sign, construction.
Yes,
sign.
this sign is to warn you
Yeah.
of where the vehicle is actually at, and it also is there to warn you that it is dangerous. Please do not go close by. So when you do see one of these big machines working, stay far away for safety, because you never know while they are busy working. Even if because they work like really slow, they go like this and they dig up, and then they go up and they move at the other side and they dump at the side. Even though they move slow, sometimes the type of things that they pick up with
Oh,
this
they come
is
out
dangerous.
fast.
Like giant
Yeah.
rocks.
Like giant rocks and stuff. So just for safety reasons, even if you see the guys working with it, there's always one sitting in the cab and there's another guy watching, but he's standing far away so that he can't get hurt with the machine. And so
also
that the
he
driver can also see you because he's sitting inside. And it's not always possible for him to see what's going on behind him because they don't all have mirrors to see. So that he can't see around him to see if there's anybody
Oh,
around him. So
look.
always stay far away.
As you can see at the back.
Yeah, but when
What's
you're
in the back?
working,
That's the window,
Okay, the back window.
but we just boop, goes down.
but also
pop them
when
out.
a driver is working, he cannot see. And also because the driver is safe in the cab, it's because he has his hard hat. And the man who is far away, but it's usually sometimes close, also has a hard hat.
Okay, it's not just they have hard hats on, they also have earphones on to
Yes.
protect their ears because these machines are super noisy, especially when you sit in the cab.
Bright jacket.
Bright jackets also to make them more visible.
Safety bits.
Yes,
Safety
safety
vests.
vests to make them visible so that you can be spotted easily.
I mean three construction people.
Construction workers, yeah.
But
She knows again.
some others want to just love these excavators. They want to break it at the parts.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so these things are
They
going to get
cannot.
broken up here.
This one, but it's
Oh, I
a
think the excavator wants to say something.
What does the
Hi
excavator
guys.
say?
Do you
Hi,
think
guys.
I'm cool? Tell us in the comments.
Yeah,
They
tell us in the
just
comments below. He spoke. Awesome.
And give us a like to our videos.
And yeah, give it a thumbs
Subscribe.
up. Subscribe to our channel. Okay, the button is just down below.
Oh, the
And
one.
yes,
And
be
press the bell.
notified.
Do not forget to press the bell.
To be notified.
Then you get notified of see when our next videos are coming up.
And we love you guys for all your support.
Absolutely. It is so awesome to have so many supporters and guys to support us. And It just actually makes it worthwhile of making all these videos. It's really, really appreciated.
It's keep on looking at mommy.
She's looking at me.
So, thanks for watching.
So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
That's it from us at Homeschool with Leo.
Bye!
Bye, guys. And even the Excavator is saying goodbye.
Liam, how do you spell your name again?
L-I-A-M.
That's
Me!
Cool. See you guys soon.
bye.